G'day my culinary champs and welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of rice cooking using the absorption technique. We will be exploring a simple and effective method to cook perfect jasmine rice when you don't have a rice cooker. And also, forget the traditional rinsing method, we're going to focus on a no-rinse approach that delivers consistently great results. Now for this method we need 1.5 cups of water for every cup of jasmine rice.
Add any optional aromatics you choose, such as this lemongrass.
Place this into a saucepan with a splash of oil. The oil can help reduce the overall digested carbohydrate content of the rice. Place the saucepan on the stove over high heat and bring the mixture to a boil. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover the pot with a tight fitting lid. Simmer for 15 minutes. Remove the pot from heat and let it sit covered for 5 minutes. This resting period will allow the rice to absorb any remaining moisture and become fluffy. Using a fork or chopsticks, lightly stir the rice to fluff it up more. Serve immediately or put to the side.